Alright, first things first. After we get the tub in the hole, we have to put this rubber in here. You don't want to forget this rubber. It'll never seal. Place that rubber right there. Bam. And you see here we got it puttied.
Yeah.
We got it doped.
Yeah.
We've got all the goods.
Yeah.
You always want to get a clean start on these threads too, man. You do not want to cross. You want to go clean. And that's how you set a tub on slab. Not that bad. Valves roughed in, ready to go. Toilet right there. Double vanity right here.